Hello guys, share ko lang tong portable power station, 24 volt setup, 1000 watts power. So meron yung LED 45 watts. So ayan po, 24 volts, napakaliwanag. And then yung power inverter natin na 1200 watts continuous power. So ayan, meron siyang USB. Tapos yung charger natin ng 5 ampere, 29.4 volts. Ayan. So ayan po yung inverter natin na 2380 watts yung kanyang power. So pero yung kanyang continuous power is 1200 watts. Ayan po yung loob niya. So meron po yung cell na 70 pieces, 7S 10P. Ayan, 18650. So meron po yung fan para sa exhaust fan, and then yung ating solar controller, ready to solar po yan, 40 ampere 24 volt setup. So ayan po yung side, meron yung circuit breaker 50 ampere in case na mag short circuit. Meron din po yung fuse na 40 ampere. Ayan po yung solar panel connection, ayan po, ready na siya. Thank you po.